Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing a simple pink and white set of nails. My sister's nails have already been prepped for application. If you want to see how I do that, please check the video in the cards. I have her nail forms applied. I'm using nail forms by Nail Harmony, and I'm just applying a thin layer of clear acrylic to act as a base. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's just going to be a sturdy base for our color acrylics later. I'm using the number 12 oval alpha brush, and my discount code is FEMI10 for 10% off. If you are interested, the link will be in the description box. Now I'm going to go in with Tammy Taylor white acrylic, and I'm going to create two white nails. I'm doing this on the index finger and the ring finger.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the sky.
Once I have my white acrylic laid, I'm going to encapsulate and build up my structure and apex with clear acrylic.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laughing at you.
And now I'm going to apply some pink acrylic to the rest of the nails. This is a custom mixed pink, but something similar to this would be Tammy Taylor Pink is Pink.
You were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea.
So this is after file shaping and buffing the nails. I put a little bit of gold striping tape across the pink nails, and now I'm just using Zulays BLING Adhesive to apply some stones and caviar beads to the white nails. And I'm just doing this across horizontally, and I believe I'm using SS5 and SS10 light rose pink stones to do this.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me.
I'm going to put some SS5 stones on either side of the striping tape just to make sure it doesn't pop up.
Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.
And now I'm going to seal everything in with Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat Gel and cure it.
That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. Oh you meant the world to me. give you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
After curing, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Hit the subscribe and the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!